Today we talk about how to use a vanilla gift card on the Amazon app. 1. Access your account page on the Amazon mobile app. You can use the same process as on the website. Simply tap on the three-line menu located in the bottom right corner of the app to bring up the menu options. 2. Scroll through the menu option until you locate the payment button, then tap on it to access your payment setting. 3. Once you are on the payment page, you can add a new payment method by clicking on the corresponding link. Select Add a credit or debit card. Amazon will ask you to add the card's number, name, and expiration date. Then tap the yellow Add Your Card button. Now, when you go to check out, the vanilla gift card will be a payment option, whether you use it to purchase directly from Amazon or load it onto the Amazon balance. If you prefer to save the gift card as a payment method for future purchases, you can do so on either the app or the Amazon website. However, it's important to keep the track of the gift cards you have added to your list of payment methods if you have multiple one. This will help you to avoid confusion when making a payment in the future.